Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthony Knows. No Jackman, your story matters. Today we have a powerful letter from a listener who says, I took money from my company. My family found out. I got divorced. And I've lost all my social trust. That's big. That's raw. And you're here. Sharing that with us. I see you. And I honor your courage. First, let's just name it. You made a serious mistake. You crossed a line, and now you feel the grass has fallen away under your feet. That feeling of shame and fear, that's real. It's an emotional alarm telling you something needs to change. And change starts with owning your story. Step 1. Stop running. Psychology tells us avoidance feeds anxiety. So pick one moment today to face the truth. Look at your bank account or your work record. Decide what exactly happened. Write it down in plain language. No excuses, no fluff. This simple act of clarity breaks the shame cycle and gives you a roadmap. Step 2. Make reparation. You mention rules in social trust. Trust is earned by consistent actions. Call the company. Offer a repayment plan. Talk to a counselor who specializes in ethics or addiction. If there's a deeper issue, ask them how to set up a realistic schedule to pay back every cent. The act of paying back, even a small amount monthly, sends a powerful message. We are serious about change. Step 3. Rebuild your inner compass. Every day for the next month, spend 5 minutes in mindful self-reflection. Sit quietly and ask, what value did I honor today? Did I tell the truth? Did I face my fear? Did I reach out for help? This practice rewires your brain. Research shows small daily rituals create new neural pathways for honesty and courage. Step 4. Lean into support. We are social creatures. Even if your family pull away, find a support group or online forum for people who have faced legal or financial trouble. Hearing other voices say, I've been there, can soften that heavy isolation you feel. You learn practical tips, how to draft a budget, or how to talk to your ex about your program. Now, you ask for humor, so here it is. Life hack. Never try to recreate Ocean 11 on your lunch break. Not a great career move, but hey, if you learn one thing, it's that shortcuts lead to long detours. Commit instead to the slow. It's boring, but it works. Finally, be kind to yourself. That person who stole the money is not you. We have forever. Identity is fluid. If you show up every day, repay your debts, and speak your truth, you earn that respect from others and from yourself. One day, you'll look back on this letter as the moment you decided to rebuild. We're cheering for you. Keep writing in, and let's walk this journey together. This is Anthony, reminding you, no judgment, your story matters. Stay strong,